Oh, we're actually doing winners finals now?
Yeah, we are.
It's about goddamn time. Alright, so Bill's playing Marth. Dill's on Marth.
Come on, I gotta watch this.
Dad is on. You actually don't have to move the stuff around. You can just hit swap players, like the button in the middle.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Ooh, good down tilt.
Dad's already port too, or lower port. No, wait, he's not. Bang.
I'm not sure what that was about.
I playing Marth.
I don't.
You don't know. Need to know.
I guess not. Ooh, that down smash.
See, I would have gotten that. Dang it. I think every
I don't know if I've ever seen Dill play.
I would have hit that.
Marth.
Every time Dill misses something, I was gonna be like, I would have landed that. Okay, I would have tippered that. Actually, no. That's exactly what I did.
That was a good angle from Dad to avoid pretty much everything, but still eats tipper for his time.
Yeah. Time spent.
Ooh. Is he gonna finish out? Oh. Oh!
Yay!
That would have been really cool.
Jeez.
What? What is happening?
I would have not.
There's a lot of spaghetti.
I think what Dill needs to do is dash dance a bit more. Just keep Dad guessing. By Dad keeping Dad guessing, I meant Dill keeping Dad guessing because Dill is mine. Okay.
Ooh, that was really good SDI.
Oh.
Oops.
He's going a bit too slidey.
Ooh.
Nice.
Just slides that tipper right on in there.
Okay. Okay, it's even again.
Dill just gets F smash.
I would have landed all those down tilts. This is my commentary. This is me criticizing every other friggin' Marth player that's playing right now. It's just, I would have done better.
Oh, that was slick.
Okay, I wouldn't have landed that.
That was actually really cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so Dill took game one. Dad's switching to Squirtle.
Yeah, he's actually got to try.
You got it?
I just looked chill.
Let's see if Squirtle might be the answer to this Marth. I mean, Dad was really playing that last game really well. He kind of just got Marth at the end there.
Basically.
He was doing everything right, I think. Steals a ledge away from him.
Oh, it has? Okay. Is there like any way you can like actually put like sunglasses on Squirtle?
Yeah, it's one of his taunts.
I mean, like, do you have to like taunt cancel?
No,
Like,
I think you have to like hold the button or something. I can't remember how you do it, but it stays on you until you get hit. Like the sunglasses break whenever you, like the next time you get hit. Oh, yeah, B.
Okay.
Back air. I don't think Dad can make it back from this. Oh, no, I was wrong. Squirtle can make it back from anything. Literally unedge guardable.
Oh, I thought that was a stock.
And goes a little too low. One strong hit from Dad. Or up throw?
Nah.
Or down throw. That's down throw.
What? Throw you down and you are about to down off the top? What is this?
Oop. Oh, just barely misses that up smash.
Okay. I would have died there.
Shell shift F smash. Definitely
Get
do
up
it.
attack. Should have get up attack.
Like Dill's having a little bit of an
I wonder if
issue.
I'm thinking the exact same thing that Dill's thinking whenever he dies from that. Like we should have get attack. He's probably thinking the same thing. Like, really should have get attack.
Oh, I think that was dead. Oh,
no,
nope.
Not.
The early at B.
Oh my.
Just throws a tipper out.
Dad's actually having to try. Oh boy. I thought this was.
Oh, I did not think he was gonna be able to make that back. Bill's been sweet spotting the ledge pretty consistently.
Yeah.
And then he eats an up smash.
Ooh, okay. Down air. There's like kind of that fastball down.
Dad's got a really nice string going here. Oh, I thought that was going to be a forward air to finish it.
Okay. So... I don't get this.
What was that interaction?
Oh, wow.
That was wacky.
I know I saw a jab reset somewhere in there. Okay.
Back air. I don't think Bill's going to be able to make it back. Nope.
That's it.
All I got to do is hold the ledge. Holding ledge is a great move.
I gotta...
Alright, looks like Dill might be switching.
I practice spending all my time at home and grabbing the ledge. That's how I get good.
3, 2, 1, go!
I don't want to money match type. Pluto's like. I gotta do that because you want to die money.
Yeah, everyone still needs a money matcher.
Nice.
Oh my god. This string from Dad is still going. Okay, there he goes. Bill's got something going.
Okay, so me and Willa just had this random encounter of sign language with Marth bears.
I know sign language. That was not sign language.
Teehee. You wouldn't mind if I went ahead and do
Oh
that?
wow, Dill. I looked away for like 2 seconds and Dill actually took Dad's stock.
Oh wait, I don't have any money to do it.
And forward air is definitely going to finish that one out.
I don't have any money.
All these up tilts. Oh, I thought that was going to be an up air.
Bill's sitting there like, here's how you play Fox.
Ooh. Really nice dash dance up smash.
Squirtle.
Dad complaining about Fox.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh.
Yeah.
Well, that's one way to edge guard Fox, I guess.
Bubble bar.
I don't know if I've ever seen a Squirtle edge guard a Fox that way. And he's got the sunglasses. Oh, the sunglasses are giving him strength.
Oh my gosh. His the white
Oh, there go the sunglasses.
Okay. I was gonna say the yellowness of his Ooh, what was that?
That was I forget what it's called, but it's
Was that an upbeat?
no. Maybe. I don't Dad explained it to me. I can't remember. Squirtle's weird. I don't know how Squirtle works. Yeah, crouch cancel up smash. Dad clearly very pleased with it.
Oh. Okay. Okay, Dill gets out of there pretty fine. Yeah. How did he not get hit by the gap attack? What?
And up B?
Oh,
No,
just-
that was not the sweet spot of the up B.
Well, single hit land, falling up air. It's like single hit there. It was only a single hit.
Ooh. Up smash out of shield. Okay. So Dill takes game 2. Or game 3. That was game 3.
Yeah, that was game 3.
And Dad just salty run backing immediately.
Sick of this crap. Do I have any?
Ooh, tries to do the down B, but goes a little too late that time. Ooh, that was really close. Good angle from
Barfing
Dill.
helping Daddy off. Stop barfing. Show a little bit of height. Like that.
And yeah,
What a high.
Dad taking the first stock of this game. Dad Dill just standing there, crouching, waiting to shine.
That's all I gotta do.
Going a little too low with that side B.
I laugh at SDs and I laugh at fail to kill keeper. I laugh at SDs and I cry at what's it? Kill attack that don't kill. And I try to get like super awesome combo finish and it doesn't work.
Dill just being very patient. Ooh, wake up shine is
Broken.
super good.
Yeah. Ah, didn't up air. Well, he did up air. Didn't land it. Ooh.
And he just falls and dies. Was trying to cover the tech in with the down smash.
Ah, he should have up smash. Ah.
Oh! Oh, tries to go for it. Tries to like go low and gimp him, but
I think this is his third. The first game he went Marth, right?
game 1 and 2 he went Marth. Game 3 he went Fox. This is game 4.
Yeah, this is his second match. He won last match he won with Fox.
Yeah.
Might switch to Luigi.
I would expect it. If he loses this one, I expect to switch. Ooh, just barely out of range of that up smash or up air.
Ah.
And that's dead Fox.
It is.
All right, we'll see
Game
5. We'll see if there will be a switch happening.
Do it.
Fox.
Dad switching to Fox.
What?
Dill switching to Link.
What is this?
Dill's Link is actually really good though.
I know.
He has a pretty legit Link.
Half the time I'm gonna think that Dill is Fox because
It's the same color.
Yeah, same.
Up wave shine into footstool up air. Classic Dad combo. Who was asking that? Flappy?
Yeah, Flappy. I was Flappy. Lots of Link down smash.
Uh-oh. That happens sometimes. I think he was trying to AGT the bomb that he had already thrown again. So Link has a lot of really good gimping potential onto Fox. So you can kind of just, he has a lot of like really weak hitting moves that just sit, like if Link gets Fox off the stage, it's really easy for him to gimp. Ooh, I like this combo.
Was that a reverse?
Oh!
Wow.
He had a really sick combo going, and then just one up air's gonna end it. And some bad DI on that. On that nair is. That'll definitely do it. I don't think that was on purpose. Okay, the boomerang saved him from getting wave shine, but then he gets wave shined again.
Did he just get footstool to up air?
Oh yeah, that's a Dad thing. And it's about to happen again. Ooh, Dad trying to challenge the LB and gets smacked in the face. Oh wow, I didn't actually think he was gonna have enough time for the down air. Looking like a Michael Bay movie up in here. There's bombs everywhere. Bill's making very good use of his projectiles. Ooh, that dash attack. Oh.
What?
Oh.
Okay.
The single hit of that down air just sent him low enough to be put in a very awkward position.
Okay, he went for a down air instead of an up air. Multiple hits for good pressure on his shield when Dill tried to.
Today I learned Firefox goes through the boomerang.
Yay.
I actually didn't know that.
Oh.
Ooh. Nice nair to get out of those up airs. Oh, the Zair into down air.
That was nice.
That was a fun set to watch.
Yeah, because it was an actual bracket
Yeah.
set.
Isn't it great when
Isn't it?
that happens?